The main central banks are changing their policies, at least those that were stuck to a hawkish stance. The Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank made it clear that the rate hike cycle had reached its end. However, in the United Kingdom, the situation is a bit different. The Bank of England surprised everyone by taking a decision to keep the key rate unchanged. The fact is that a bit earlier, the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve also kept the benchmark rate at the current levels, but hinted at a gradual loosening of their policies. Meanwhile, there are 3 out of 12 Bank of England officials voted for the key rate hike, and there were no votes for a cut. In other words, the Bank of England does not exclude a new rise in the interest rates. And this fact surprised traders, but then caused a jump in the pound sterling. In the last 5 trading days, the pound sterling has gained about 75 pips against the US dollar. Nevertheless, on the chart we see that it continues hovering within the range of 1.2128 and 1.2276. It's better to avoid opening new positions due to low volatility. Today, a lot will depend on the report prepared by the US Labor Department. The unemployment rate is expected to remain the same. At the same time, the non-farm sector may add 190,000 new jobs. Notably, this is one of the most optimistic forecasts. However, such a number of new jobs is not enough to maintain stability in the labor market. In other words, the unemployment rate may climb even higher in the near future, and this could lead to a drop in the US dollar. On the chart of the euro-dollar pair, we also see a sideways channel. However, optimism may notice a slight upward movement. Although the week was rich in important macroeconomic events and the pair failed to leave the sideways channel of 1.0546 and 1.0714. The data from the United States may surprise traders, and that's why today investors have nothing to do but wait for the publication, monitor speculators' auctions, and analyze the future auctions that will lead them to successful trading. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.